Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
If you see it.
Vehicle pitching downrange.
This is very far away from us yet. Do you think we'll see it?
There it is.
And a good liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket to begin the Spherex Punch rideshare missions.
Power telemetry now.
Do you see it?
No.
Just past the 1 minute mark, we'll be approaching max Q at the point of greatest aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle.
You're playing in that area.
Vehicle supersonic. Max Q.
Good call for max Q. Now got a few different events in fairly rapid succession. We'll see first stage main engine cutoff, or MECO, at about T plus 2 minutes and 16 seconds. That'll be followed by stage separation.
MVAC chill.
The ignition of that MVAC engine, the Merlin vacuum engine on the second stage, at about T plus 2
is it
minutes and
gonna go
28
into the
seconds.
air? One minute,
That call
Debbie?
that you just
Oh,
heard
there.
was the thermal
I
conditioning
think that's it.
beginning of that Merlin vacuum engine.
Like that glowing red dot.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Because this booster is returning for a landing at landing zone 4. Following the ignition of the second stage engine, then the boost back burn will begin a few seconds after SES-1. The fairings will deploy at about the 3 minute mark in just about a minute from now. Boost back burn will wrap up about 3.5 minutes into flight. So far, a nominal flight of this Falcon 9 rocket.
Okay. Usually we see it reignite.
Main engine cutoff.
That was cool. Oh, I see it.
Stage separation confirmed.
I see it. Oh, that way.
MVAC ignition. Stage 1 boost back startup.
Oh, I just saw the thing came come off.
Coming up on fairing separation here
Anthony, I just saw the thing in the bottom.
in the next few seconds.
Okay. That's cool. Oh, what is that thing?
Fairing separation confirmed.
And with those fairings deployed, we can see the Spherex spacecraft for the first time on this mission. Now a little more than 3.5 minutes to flight.
Stage 1 boost back shutdown.
There's that call for the conclusion of the boost back burn. Next up at about T plus 6 minutes and 13 seconds, the first stage entry burn will begin. As a reminder to those in the vicinity of Vandenberg Space Force Base, you may very well likely hear a sonic boom as the booster re-enters the atmosphere and prepares to touch down at landing zone 4.
This one's way dimmer.